Hey Sec 230 students, I just wanted to show you really quickly, I made a change on WebAssign that should make it easier for students to extend any of their assignments that 7-day grace period that we have for the class. So basically what you would want to do is you would go in to WebAssign. So I've logged in as a student, and so these are my coming due assignments. So I can't extend those because they aren't past due yet. But so I can go down here to the bottom, and there's the past assignments button. So I click on past assignments, and this will be all the assignments that are now past due. So I can pick one. So I'm going to take problem set 01. I could click the request extension here if I wanted. I'm just going to open it up first just to show you what we're talking about and why we need to extend it. And we can see that the due date, as it says here, for this assignment has passed, and I would not be able to go in here. I can't click on any of these answers. I can't enter numbers in here, so it won't let me do anything. Now, at this point, I'm going to request an extension. So there's a button up here to the top right. There's one here. And so what I'll do is I'm going to click on request extension, and here's what I've changed. I've gotten rid of the manual extension, and so their only option is to do an automatic extension. So if you click on automatic extension, it will tell you what that will do. It means that you can extend this as many times as you need to, but basically the minute you extend it, it will give you 7 days past the due date, and it won't take any penalty. All right, so I look at that and I say, okay, I accept this automatic extension. And so now this was due on the 29th, and now it's due on the 1st. Okay. So I'm sorry, I requested this on the 29th. It was due actually, I think, on the 25th. And so now it's due 7 days later on September 1st. Right. So if I then quit out of here, it doesn't necessarily say that up here yet. So you can see it still says past due, and I might not be able to answer it. But at this point, you just need to reload. So I reload the page, click the reload button or the Command R, Control R, and now you can see that it's got the due date. So now the due date is September 1st, and now you can see I can answer the questions, submit the answers, and so on. Okay, so basically this would allow you that if you miss the deadline for any of the assignments, you don't have to worry about contacting me to extend it. Now, let's say something more big happens and you need more than the 7-day grace period. That's where you email me. I always will still have the ability to extend in those extenuating circumstances. So always just reach out to me. So if I go back to my assignments, what you'll see is if I go back here, again, it starts typically with the coming due assignments, but you'll notice that a couple of these have now been extended. So I've extended 2 of the 3 problem set 01 options. So I'm going to just extend the second one as well. So I go to my past due assignments, and there's the version 2. This time I'm just going to click request extension here. I'm going to click on automatic. I'm going to accept it, and then ideally it's not updating here, so I can do the refresh. Or I can just click on past assignments again, and you'll probably see that it goes away. Maybe not. Oh, if I go to current assignments, then hopefully we'll see it updating. Let me update this. And then what we should see is that all 3 versions, there's version 1, version 2, and version 3. So they've all been extended. They're kind of intermixed with these other ones because they now all have a same due date. All right, but so that's how you'll handle doing the extensions on your own. So that should make it a lot easier. And then again, if you have any problems, you can always just email me and I can take care of extensions from my end. All right, good luck.